For our problem number 3, a piece of property in Urdaneta is advertised for sale at 45 pesos per square foot. If the lengths of the sides of the triangular lot are 220 feet, 234 feet, and 160 feet, then what is the asking price for the lot? So dito, ang bintahan kasi ng mga lupa natin is per area. So per unit area. So dito nagkataon na yung unit natin is square foot. So take note that kapag area ang pinag-uusapan na yung unit natin ay unit squared. So pwede siyang inch squared, pwede siyang area square meter, pwede siyang area square foot, or any other measurement of lengths na naka-squared yung unit. So dito, ang bentahan, 45 pesos per square foot. So para makompute natin magkano yung asking price, dapat makompute muna natin ano yung total area ng lot natin, tapos i-multiply natin. So 45 pesos per square foot. Now dito, ang binigay na dimensions ng ating triangle, so yung tatlong side niya ay 220, 234, and 160 feet. And if you recall the formula ng area, given three sides, so ito yung tinatawag nating Heron's formula, no? So this is square root of S times S minus A, S minus B, times S minus C. So ito yung ating Heron's formula, given three sides to compute for the area of the triangle. And yung S dito, ito yung ating semi-perimeter. So sum ng tatlong side divided by 2. So compute na lang muna natin yung ating semi-perimeter. This is 220 plus 234 plus 160 divided by 2. So yung value ng ating semi-perimeter, this is 307. This 307 cm. So apply natin sa formula ng Heron's. So this is 307 na S multiplied by 307 minus side A, 220, times 307 minus side B, 234, times 307 minus side C, na 160. Input lang sa calculator, yung ating area ngayon, we can compute it equal to 16929.686. This is feet squared. So ngayon, ang bentahan daw, so yung cost ng lupa, this is 45 pesos per feet squared. So para mahanap natin ano yung asking price niya. So yung asking price, basically, multiply lang natin yung total area doon sa cost per square feet. So take note, dapat, kung per square feet yung bentahan, dapat yung area ninyo, naka-square feet din. Pero for example, binigay, that's 5,000 per square meter. So etong si square foot na area, kailangan nyo muna i-convert into square meter. So doon na papasok yung pagmamaster naman ng conversion ng areas natin. So dito multiply lang natin si area na 16,929.686. Multiply natin sa 45. So ang asking price is 761,835.885 pesos. So ito dapat yung asking price ng lupa dito sa ating problem.